One of my seniors, who was really very intelligent, worked hard in his entire 20s and 30s and had got good promotions and hikes. He had built such a reputation among all the team members that everybody used to say, if this person is there in the project, for sure the customer will get quality product on time. Such a reputation he had built. Of course, he had also earned a lot of money in the process. Like how he was absolutely focused on the project in his 20s and 30s, he continued to do the same pattern, or he followed the same pattern even in his early 40s. But then something happened, friends, in January 2020. Something really big happened for him. While he was absolutely focused on his project as always, he got slight chest pain. He thought it is gastric and took tablets. But the symptoms did not subside. After a while, he started to sweat under AC. And then, breathlessness. Heart attack symptoms, right? He rushed to hospital. Pulmonologist clearly told him after a couple of tests that there is a major block in the artery and he had to undergo angioplasty immediately or as soon as possible. Of course, there was no choice. He had to undergo. He underwent. The next day, surgeon clearly told him that it is because of sedentary lifestyle he is at this position in his life and he has to make time for exercise, to have healthy nutritious food and to have a proper sleep routine. My senior, who was so absolutely focused on his career, did not have time for health. Who will who will think about health, right? Eat whatever you want to fill your stomach, no time for exercise, of course no time to sleep. But now, whatever happened in January 2020 for my senior was a very big blow. He had to exercise because he didn't want to die, right? Surgeon clearly told him, pray God for you to live long if you follow the sedentary lifestyle. Because he faced that extreme pain on that day, he decided that he's going to change forever. From January 2020 till date, he has been almost regular to exercise, eat healthy foods, and has a very good sleep routine. For 41 years of life, where a person did not even care about health, what happened all of a sudden, friends? What happened all of a sudden? Something changed, right? Yes, because he didn't want to die. Because that is an extreme pain. Friends, most of us change only when there is extreme pain or extreme pleasure. What about you? Are you working on your goals? You know that you have to work on your goals because you need to make sure you become a finisher and you go to the next level. Friends, are you going to change by choice or will you wait for life to give you a tight slap on your face so that you're forced to change? The choice is yours, friends. The choice is yours. As always, please share this video with at least 3 people whom you care for. Let us spread the message. And please subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Goodbye and see you tomorrow.